So, the topic which we are going to learn today is about how to end social evils. In our last tutorial video, I taught you about what is social evil and some major social evils as well. So, let me again remind you what are those. Okay. So, the first one was untouchability, dowry system, Devki custom, Kamaiya custom, class disparity and superstition. So, today we will learn about how to eradicate all those social evils, the solution regarding, the measures regarding how to end all those social evils. So, let's get started. So, the following are the measures to end social evils. Here are some measures about how to end social evils. Now, let's come to the first one. The first one is public awareness. So, public awareness भनेको के हो त? जनता जागरुक हुन एकदमै जरुरी हुन्छ। सबभन्दा पहिला त सर्वसाधारण मान्छेहरुमा के गर्नुपर्छ, जनचेतनाको स्तरलाई, लेभललाई अपग्रेड गर्नुपर्छ, वृद्धि गर्नुपर्छ है। एन्ड देन कसरी गराउने त? सो टु स्प्रेड द अवेयरनेस देयर आर सेभरल मिडियाज हो। धेरै मिडियाहरु हुन्छ जस्तो कि रेडियो, टेलिभिजन, न्यूजपेपर, and we can also launch some sort of campaign regarding the social evils, and they must be against the social evils. कुनै social evil को against मा भएर कुनै प्रोग्रामहरु लन्च गर्ने, क्याम्पेनहरु लन्च गर्ने, यसरी के हुन्छ, social evil eradicate गर्न सकिन्छ। Okay, so we can have an example here. Let us suppose in a particular society there might be people from high caste and low caste as well. So we can launch any sort of social program focusing on the importance of human rights, which would be against social discrimination, right? So this sort of social programs can be launched in order to eradicate social evils. Similarly, rallies against the bad social evils can also be carried out, and the participant in the rallies must carry what? Banners and placards. So in this way also we can eradicate the social evils. So the another is strong rules and regulations. Strong rules and regulations. So there should be strong rules and regulation in order to maintain what? Peace and harmony in a particular society. As well as it also helps in the development of that particular society as well. And if some people try to violate those rules, they should be punished severely, right? And then यो भनेको के हो त? जब मान्छेमा रुल्स र रेगुलेसन प्रतिको जुन डर आउँछ तब के हुन्छ, सोशल इभिलहरु कम हुन्छ। ए रुल्स र रेगुलेसन बनेको छ रे भन्नेबित्तिकै मान्छेमा के हुन्छ, डर पैदा हुन्छ हो। एन्ड देन त्यसले गर्दाखेरि के हुन्छ, सोशल इभिलहरु त्यो सोसाइटीमा कम हुन थाल्छ। अब कसरी पैदा गर्ने त डर हो? सपोज कुनै रुल्स बनेको छ, कुनै रुल्स र रेगुलेसन बनेको छ, अब त्यो रुल्स र रेगुलेसन ब्रेक गरेमा यसरी पनिशमेन्ट हुन्छ, यसरी जेल हुन्छ भनेपछि मान्छेहरु के हुन्छ, सतर्क हुन्छन्, उनीहरुमा डर पैदा हुन्छ र सोशल इभिलहरु कम हुन थाल्छ। Now the another one is implementation of rules. Implementation of rules means what? When the rules and regulations are made, they must be implemented. They must be taken out in action, right? जब rules र regulation बन्छ त्यसलाई एक्सनमा ल्याउनु के हुन्छ, जरुरी हुन्छ। For example, our government has set up several rules and we can also find them in our books. Okay, so but if the rules and regulations that are being made are not implemented, then they are of no use. जब त्यो rules and regulationहरुको लाई implement गरिन्न हो, follow up गरिन्न, तब के हुन्छ, they are of no use. Similarly, as per our constitution, there are 3 levels of government, that are national level, regional level and local level government, which are also there for the implementation of several rules and regulations. Okay, so when rules and regulations are made, then they must be implemented. Now come to the another measure, that is positive attitude. When people in a particular society contain positive attitude, then they can form that society into a better place. So positive attitude भयो भने समाजमा के हुन्छ, सोशल इभिलहरु अकर हुँदैन। जब मान्छेको सोच राम्रो हुन्छ, विचार राम्रो हुन्छ तब के हुन्छ सोसाइटी राम्रो हुन्छ हो सोसाइटीमा राम्रो कामहरु मात्र हुन्छ नराम्रो इभिलहरुको कुनै गुन्जाइस नै हुँदैन सो पोजिटिभ एटिट्युड लीड्स टु द एरिडिकेसन टुवर्ड्स सोशल इभिल्स For example, we must have positive attitudes towards the rich and poor, right? And then we must not discriminate against the black and white people. Similarly, we must not believe in untouchability or any sort of other evils such as superstition, because all these are against the modern approach to our society's development. Similarly, the another one is intolerance to antisocial activities. Intolerance to antisocial activities भनेको के हो त नराम्रो काम गर्दा पनि नगर्ने र यदि कुनै आफू रहेको पर्टिकुलर सोसाइटीमा हो कुनै एन्टी सोशल एक्टिभिटिजहरु भइरहेको छ भने के गर्ने त्यसलाई सहेर पनि नबस्ने नराम्रो काम गर्दा पनि नगर्ने र नराम्रो काम भएको सहेर पनि नबस्ने फर एक्जाम्पल आवर गभर्नमेन्ट हैज सेट अप डिफरेंट लोकल बॉडीज हो फर आवर हेल्प एन्ड इफ वी सी सम सॉर्ट अफ anti-social activities going on then we can go and make a complaint to them okay so भनेको के हो त यदि कुनै ठाउँमा नराम्रो एक्टिभिटिजहरु एन्टी सोशल एक्टिभिटिजहरु अकर भइरहेको छ भने हामी जानी र त्यो डिफरेंट बॉडीजमा जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो हेल्पको लागि रहेको छ त्यहाँ गएर we can make a complaint and in our society also there are majority of people who are there for our help several communities are being made for our help as well. So the another example can be there are several communities formed in our society as well, just like women community, labor community, students community, and if we find any violent activities going on in our society that we are experiencing, right, and we can go and approach them as well. Okay. Now finally the last one, that is education. As we all know that education is the root of civilization. When people are civilized, when they are educated, they can differentiate between what is right and what is wrong. So they become more reasonable, more scientific. They stop believing in all the superstitions, right? And they can achieve whatever they want in life. And so education also leads to end of social evils. शिक्षाले के गर्छ मान्छेलाई फराकिलो मान्छेको सोच फराकिलो बनाउँछ र नराम्रो काम ब्याड सोशल इभिलहरुबाट टाढा बनाउँछ सो एजुकेसन हेल्प्स इन मेकिङ लाइफ मोर प्रोडक्टिभ सो माय डियर चिल्ड्रेन दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज ट्यूटोरियल क्लास होप you enjoyed learning today's class. Thank you.